Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo N61 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find About Phone. Now let's tap on this version option, and after entering you will be able to find build number. All we have to do right now is to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can go back to the general settings and enter the system option. And here, almost at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can override the force dark, we can show view updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking, we've got Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, etc. And basically everything works the same just like in the regular settings, so just tap on the switcher to activate a specific option, tap on it again to turn it off. And if you've got the options without the switcher, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen. And as you can see, to fully turn off developer options, you'll have to restart the device just by tapping on restart. I don't want to do it right now, but after this operation, the developer options will disappear from this list. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.